Welcome to Something You Should Try. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gadget fan, trendsetter, or crave the experience of what's next, you've come to the right place. Say hello to the Ninja Slushie, the easy, convenient way to make frozen drinks at home. No ice, no watered-down drinks. No blending means smooth, perfect texture every time. Just pour, slush, and enjoy. 5 one-touch programs for any drink you want. Turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Enjoy perfect results from morning to evening. From summer days to cozy nights. The Ninja Slushie is here. For more information on these products, click the link in the description box and remember to subscribe.